Hey guys, welcome back to Skillless Swim Revit course. In this video, we'll see how to create ceilings. Let's get started.
In this video, we'll see how to create the ceilings. So in property browser, under the views, go to ceiling plans. In that, select the desired level that you need to create your ceiling. For me, it's plinth level. So I'm clicking on plinth level. Now in architecture tab, click on ceilings. We have two options, automatic ceiling and sketch ceiling. Let's see how automatic ceiling works. So if we activate automatic ceiling, if I take the cursor on my plan, it automatically detects the room space and creates a ceiling according to the walls. Okay, so if I click on it and give and escape, I can see it in my 3D view. Right now, let me just hide this slab for a while. See, the ceiling is automatically created. Again, if you want to modify materials or anything, I have to go to in property tabs, go to edit type, go to edit. Here you can add the materials that you all require, or you can also modify the thickness as per your requirement. Right now I just want this already embedded ceiling for materials for this. Okay, so click on apply and okay. Next, let's see how sketch works. So go to plinth level, in ceiling plans, go to architecture tab, ceiling, sketch ceiling. When I click on sketch ceiling, I get this option for drawing it. So I can use either use the line or I can use any other option to draw. So let me just take the rectangle and draw. And if I want any puncture or anything, what I can do, I can just and give finish mode. Okay, let's see in 3D how it looks. So this is how the ceiling is created. Okay, next let me go to ceiling plan, plinth level, architecture, ceiling, sketch ceiling. Okay, this, let me check the rectangle. Okay, so I'll finish it. Again, I'll go to architecture tab, ceiling, sketch ceiling, click on the circle and I'll draw a circle, right? And I'll give the height offset as 2515. Okay, I'm giving the height offset from the level 2515 mm. So I'll click on finish, and if I see in my 3D, let me just keep it this way and delete. I'll not delete, I'll just hide the whole category here. So I can see this is the ceiling part, right? See, if this is the ceiling part, the circle which I drew is at a height of 2515 from my plinth level, this one, and this the above ceiling is at a height of 2.6 meter. So if I have to give any design or anything, I can do it in this manner. Or you can adjust by calculating the thickness of it and minus the thickness from this height. So it looks like it's attached, or you can just move it, or you can just take the align and align it, right? So this is it. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We offer full BIM Revit courses. Details are given in the description. There is a quiz on this topic. Try it out. You'll find the link in the description. See you in the next video.